So the fringe benefits that the union provides is just it's really unmatched, is what it is. They put in a percentage that you put in up to a certain amount. As far as like the dental and medical, it's actually pretty good stuff.
Yeah, the IBW benefits are one of the best that I've ever seen.
I had to go through an operation a little bit ago, and it was a pretty expensive operation. I'm talking like $65,000. Yeah, and that was just what I saw on the bill, and I only had to pay $2,000 of that. So to me, that's huge.
Luckily, I'm young enough and pretty dang healthy. I haven't had to use a lot of the insurances. Of course, I've used the eye insurance to make sure my vision's good, but from what I've experienced, there's not really any spot that isn't covered.
I love seeing the little receipts in the mail. Like it makes me very happy knowing that something's happening where, for the last 35 years of my life, I wasn't doing anything like that. So just to be able to see something, it feels awesome.
With the pension, you get just work your normal hours, and at the end of your career, you'll have a nice, good amount of money set aside where you won't be worried about retirement. One that comes to mind with Union is American Income Life, the life insurance company. They pretty much only serve Union members, and I got a pretty dang good deal on some whole life insurance that none of my family has really the opportunity to get, and that's specifically because I am in the Union. So it's setting me up for helping my kids out in the future. They're not going to be struggling if I eventually pass away. So there's a lot of benefits to being a Union.